We are Ilonggos. We don't say, hey man, what's up? What's going on? Instead, we say, uy, bilatibaya. Bago ka lang nagpakita, hindi putaya. Buhay ka pa? We are Ilonggos. We don't say, oh, that's too bad. Instead, we say, mayo na ganit sa lampingasa ng bilatibaya. Mayo na ganit siya, kay katikalo na siya. Hay. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, oh, don't stand on the ledge. You might fall. Instead, we say, sige ya. Sige ya. Padayaw ah. Sige ya, kay madagdag ka gida. Tilawi. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, oh, look at that cute couple. They're good together. Instead, we say, die. Intoon niya lang na die. We are Ilonggos. When someone comes back from a vacation, we don't say, hey, how's the trip? Instead, we say, wala kita da? We are Ilonggos. We don't say, oh, I think he deserves it. We say, namet, merisi na, kay man, bulayog. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, you can't find it? Come on, man. Try harder. We say, anong klase mata mo man? Karton? Pakita ka mayo. We are Ilonggos. If we have enemies, we don't say, oh, so what happened to her? We say, buwi pa na sa? We are Ilonggos. If we don't like the food, we don't say, I think this one needs a little bit of salt. We say, namit ah, namit. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, hey man, nice phone. Where'd you get it? We say, sa JI Telecom, wow, bakal sang phone ko. Kaya nga, adid to, pwede ka kautang, kag may ara sila sang nami nga mga services, kag may ara sila sang ila nga nami nga mga deals. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, hey, you should take a nap. Instead, we say, tulog na to. Di ka na magtaas. Sige ka. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, ay, oh my God, that was so close. Instead, we say, ay, buto. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, oh my God, you scared me. We say, ay. We are Ilonggos. When you get sick, we don't say, you should go to the hospital. Instead, we say, siguro makadto ka guro sa Sorano, kay basi into yawan ka. We are Ilonggos. We don't say, it's okay. It's water under the bridge. I'm all right now. Instead, we say, labay ko to sa amon sa dason kay himuan ko nagripong himual. Ay, himuan ko ginagripong kilid mo. Himuan ko sa akin.